Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to customize your home screen on iOS. So the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and I would like to show you which the home screen means. So the home screens is something that you see on your screen right now, that containing this all of applications that I have on my phone. So here is the home screen, but then after you slide into the latest page of the home screen, and then the next page will be an app library. This is also the place of all application that you have on your phone, but then all of this application is not as a complete version compared to the home screen. So sometimes home screen will only containing the application that mostly you use to have quick access whenever you need to open it. And here is the way how to customize the home screen. You just need to go click the settings and scrolling down until you find the home screen right here, and then you just need to click it. So the setting will only deciding, or whenever you install the new application, there will be pop up right away on the home screen, or it will be automatically saved on the library only. So if you choose this app library only, whenever you installed an application, they will be not gonna show up into your home screen, but then you can directly find it on the app library. And after that, the notification badges, you can also turn it on, so whenever the notification is coming, even though you are in app library, it's also still appear. And then for the next thing is search, show on the home screen. It's also about the search button, it will be shown on the home screen. And if you want to customize or moving some application from the home screen, it's also so simple. You just need to go click and hold while give a little bit movement of the applications until the applications start to be shaking. And whenever it's shaking, if you want to move these applications in this specific place, you just need to drag these applications while hold it. And if you want to remove the application from your home screen, you just need to click the minus symbols on the corner and click remove from the home screen. So that's the way how to customize your home screen on an iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.